Good morning, Rose.
Good morning.
Rose?
Oh, good morning, George.
The flowers in our garden need help.
The flowers
In our
garden need help. Then we should visit the garden center. Then we should visit the garden center.
That sounds like a great idea.
That,
Sounds
like,
a great idea.
I will bring my gardening notebook. I will bring my gardening notebook.
I need my hat for the sunshine. I need my hat for the sunshine.
Your hat is hanging by the door. Your hat is hanging by the door. Thank you for finding it.
Thank you for finding.
It. We are ready to leave now.
We are.
Ready to leave now.
The roads are very quiet today. The roads are very quiet today.
I enjoy peaceful mornings. I enjoy peaceful mornings.
Look, we are almost there.
Look,
We are.
almost there. I can already see colorful flowers.
I.
Can already see colorful flowers.
Let us start with the rose section.
Oh, yes.
Let us start with
The rose section. These red roses are beautiful. These red roses are beautiful.
they would look nice near the fence.
They would.
Look nice near.
The fence. I agree with you. I agree with you.
What about these yellow flowers? What about
These yellow flowers. Lovely. They will bring more color to the garden. They will bring more color to the garden.
we should buy a few of them?
We
Should.
buy.
A few of them.
I also need fresh soil. I also need fresh soil.
The soil bags are over there.
The soil
Bags are.
over there. This bag looks very heavy. This bag looks very heavy.
Oh dear, let me help you with that.
I can carry it.
I
Can carry it.
thank you, George. Thank you, George.
Let us look at the herb plants.
Let us
Look at
the herb.
plants.
I would like some mint.
I would.
Like some mint. Fresh mint smells wonderful. We can use it for tea. We can use it for tea.
Our cart is getting full. Our cart is getting full.
We found many useful things today.
We found
Many useful things today.
Let us go to the checkout counter.
Let us go to checkout counter.
The employee is very friendly.
Everything is packed now. Everything is packed now.
I am excited to plant these flowers.
I am.
Excited to plant these flowers.
The garden will look amazing.
The garden will look.
Amazing. We learned some good gardening tips today.
We learned some good gardening tips today.
This was a very enjoyable trip.
This
Was a very enjoyable trip.
let us come back again next month.
Let
Us come back again?
next month.
Yes, that sounds lovely.